How to apply mortar for stucco repair. This is where the magic happens. You've mixed up that glorious mortar, and now it's time to put it to work. If you missed out on how we prepared the mortar for this repair, please check our channel so you don't miss out. Here's how to apply it like a pro. Pick up your trusty trowel and scoop a generous amount of mortar. Feel the weight of it. That's the feeling of progress, my friend. Slather it on. Start at the bottom of the damaged area and work your way up. It's like building a delicious mortar sandwich, layer by layer. Spread the mortar over the crack or hole, pressing it firmly into the surface. Think of it as filling in the gaps with delicious concrete frosting. Work in small sections. Don't try to cover the whole area at once. Break it down into manageable sections, spreading the mortar evenly. This way, you ensure every part gets the attention it deserves. It's like painting a masterpiece, one stroke at a time. Fill the nooks and crannies. Make sure to press the mortar into all the nooks and crannies. Use the edge of your trowel to push the mortar deep into the cracks. You want a solid fill with no air pockets. Imagine you're a dentist filling a cavity. You don't want any gaps in there. Smooth it out. Here's where your finesse comes into play. Use the flat side of the trowel to smooth out the surface. Hold the trowel at a slight angle and make long, even strokes. If the mortar starts to stick to the trowel, dip it in water and continue. It's like spreading butter on toast, smooth and satisfying. Check your thickness. Make sure the mortar is level with the surrounding stucco. Too much mortar and it'll bulge out. Too little and it'll look sunken. Aim for a smooth transition. It's like icing a cake. You want an even layer all around. Time to swap your trusty trowel for a finishing trowel. This tool has a wider, smoother blade, perfect for creating a polished finish. Think of it as trading in your chunky boots for a pair of elegant dancing shoes. Even out the surface. Hold the finishing trowel at a slight angle. Start from one edge and work your way to the other, maintaining a consistent pressure. Imagine you're smoothing out a bedspread, making sure there are no wrinkles. Once the mortar has set a bit, do a final pass with your trowel. Use a light touch to smooth out any remaining rough spots and blend the texture. If needed, you can slightly dampen the trowel with water for a super smooth finish. It's like the final polish on a brand new car. You've taken a damaged wall and restored it to its former glory. It's a rewarding feeling, knowing you've mastered the art of stucco repair. Applying mortar is both an art and a science, and with these detailed steps, you're well on your way to mastering it. Stick around for more interesting DIYs like this. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.